Yo, what's up guys, it's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here a model kit from Kotobukiya from the mecha anime Broken Blade. And this is the main mecha, or the protagonist mecha, the Delphine. So this is one of the kit that I had a hard time looking for, but fortunately Kotobukiya already did a reissue of this kit. So they sell it already, or they already circulated it in the market. And fortunately, I got this from a Japanese shop from Shopee Philippines at an affordable price of 1,800 pesos, or 1,840 something to be exact. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Delphine from Kotobukiya has to offer us collectors. So fangen wir an, los geht's. So here's the box art of the Delphine, and it says here Broken Blade Delphine Renewal Version. I really like the appearance of the Delphine here, and he wields two kinds of sword, the Excalibur type and the Lance type. And the ambience of this kit here has the vibes of the Gundam IBO, or the Iron Blood Orphans mecha. Although this is not a Gundam, obviously, it has the same vibe of the IBO's model kit. So it says here Broken Blade logo, and it got here a 160 scale full action plastic model kit. And of course, it's from Kotobukiya. And there we got illustration by Naochika Morishita. And the side of the box here, we can see the front view, rear view, and some action pose for this kit. So this is a really simple kit, and I already built the Fafnir, one of their grunt suits, and this is a very easy kit to build. And that was a very easy kit to build, so I am expecting the same for this kit. Okay, there we got simple appearance here, like that. The other side, we can see the logo of the Broken Blade Fafnir, or Broken Blade, sorry. And there we got this warnings signs. Okay. Anyway, let's open the box here and let's see what's inside. So once we open here, we can see mostly gray parts. So we got this chunky parts for the sword, this Excalibur type of sword, and this is huge. This is a massive sword here. Then we got the gray parts for the head, and I think this one for I don't know, or the back part maybe. Okay, again, this is the sword. Then we got gray parts, or dark gray parts for this I think this one for some armor pieces, and for the inner frame parts. And we got same color for the joint parts or inner frame. Then we got this light gray for the armor pieces there. And we got dark gray parts again for, I think this one for the feet and the leg parts. Then we got this cloth designs, or cloth accessories for this one, I think for the shoulder and for the waist, something like that. Then we got polycaps. We got they're all type A polycap. So we got two sets of this, and we got this red part here. I think this one for the face, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, let's go with the. Okay, another one here. We got this water slide eagles here. The crest for. I think this one is for the Eltman or Eltemus, something like that, because this is for the shield. And the Fafnir here, or Delphine rather, doesn't have any shield, and some accessory where we can apply this. So this is a good bonus point here, or bonus piece. So there we got the manual. Manual here shows the same picture from the box art. And there we got the protagonist character here, Ryguard Arrow. And there we can see some sketch of this Delphine here. There, we got that. So we got this small decal placement here, okay, on the shoulder armor. And for that, we got this. This one is for the. This is the Fafnir. Another Fafnir model, and this one is the one I'm talking about, the Eltmus or Eltimus. There, we got. So assembling pattern for this kit is not that hard, because this is like a high-grade model kit from Bandai. This is not that hard to build. There you can see basic, very basic pattern on building this kit. Okay. Unfortunately, there's no action-based stand, but I got so many action base for Kotobukiya from my previous kits. Okay. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we got here runner A for this parts here, for these pieces here. And we got this runner F for the sword and lance. We got runner D for this gray parts. And another runner D, so we got two sets of runner D here. So runner A for these inner frame parts. Runner C for this gray armor parts, and for I think this one for the hands, but unfortunately I will not use this hand since I will use the Kotobukiya. I don't know. I will use the Dalin decal hands for that instead of the Kotobukiya stock. Okay, so we got this runner B for this pieces here. Also another runner B, so we got two sets of runner B here. And polycaps, these are all type A polycaps, and we got two sets of this. And finally we got this runner B, so we got two sets of runner B, the gray one and the black one. So we got this light gray one here. And finally we got this small part here, runner E, for the head. Okay, then let's not forget we got this cloth accessories here. Okay, let's build this kit and see you later. And so the straight out of the box review of the Delphine that I just finished building about 1 hour. So this is a very quick kit to build, and this is very simple. It's like building a high-grade model kit from Gundam, which has no complicated parts to encounter. And so we got here the Ryguard Arrow's mecha. So that's the pilot Ryguard Arrow. And there we got this very flat looking kit. The reason I call it flat because of the color combination, which is very boring, to be honest. It has this gray and light gray and black colored parts that doesn't appeal too much. The reason that maybe this Kotobukiya company didn't create so much of this kit. And I much appreciate the Eltimus, the yellow version of this kit, but I might buy that one soon because this has a cool looking yellow vibe that I might put in my shelf. So we got here this great Delphine here with the very big sword and lance that also available in the Fafnir model. And let's go with the articulation. So the head here can rotate, not 360 degrees, but it can rotate side to side. And as you can notice, even though this kit doesn't have stickers, I colored it with metallic gold to add some accents on the head. So there we got this metallic gold there. There also, I just painted the portion to make it a bit good. And the eyes here is a bit boring. This is just a plain reddish brown piece that you need to put inside like that. And then the elbows or the shoulder can move 360 degrees, just like that. The elbows, be careful with the joints on that part because it's very thin and brittle, a bit brittle, but still good, just like that. Okay, so the hands, I applied the Dalin decal hand, the silver or the metallic gray, I mean. So there we got the metallic gray hands, and we can see that there's a cloth here also underneath the shoulder armor. So there's this cloth, same with the Gundam Sandrock from the SNAA, like that. So the waist can rotate like that, but just be very careful with the back accessory here. It's very loose, so I might put some glue on this one. And the back accessory here looks like a broken blade. That's why maybe the title is based on this structure here, the broken blade. Okay, so you need to place it on the back like that. So I might put some glue on that sooner after reviewing it. And the legs can raise up to this far. Yes. And kick up to this far also. Oops, it's being removed there. Okay. So there it can kick backward, just like that. And the clothing here is connected on this part here and also on this part. Okay. So the knees can bend, double jointed, just like that. Okay. And the feet can move side to side and plantar extend and do plantar flex also. And there's this hinge inside that it can do just like this. Okay. Very cool. So it has so many cool poses that can be done on this kit. So there it can do some basic split like that, but not so much. Okay. So there, let's do some posing. So there. The feet is really nice. Oops. It can hold or make the kit stand up because of this structure here. So it has a solid foundation, but not solid on this connection here. So I might put some glue on this part also. Okay. So there we can use this sword here. This is a big sword, and this is the basic lance here. Same with the Fafnir. So there we got this sword, and I put some hole there. I drilled a hole for the peg and place it nicely on the Dalin decal hand. There, something like that. So you can do some cool poses with this kit. Nicely done. So let's do some size comparison with this kit. So I got here 100 scale on the master grade model of the Gundam. So it's a bit shorter, of course, with the 1/100 scale. And by the way, the scale of this kit is 1/60 scale. So if we're going to make it 1/100 scale, this will be shortened up to this far. Okay, maybe until the knees of the Gundam. Okay, so let's compare it with his own size, 160 scale, Fafnir. And there we go. And what I find out is the Fafnir is a bit taller than the Delphine. So let's compare it with the 148 scale model here. We got the AV98 Ingram from Pat Labor. Of course, it's a 148 scale. It's much taller than the 160 scale. And let's compare it with the short 1/100 or the master grade model here. I got the master grade Gundam F90, and F90 is about their same height. And of course, F90 is the shortest master grade model in the Gundam series, because this is a shortened or the mobile suits from Universal Century in the earlier stages became shorter, just like this kit. Okay, so they have almost the same height, like the Gundam F90. So again, thank you so much for watching this review of the Broken Blade Delphine from Kotobukiya, the 160 scale. And I wish to buy the Ultimus sooner, so I got the full set of the Broken Blade series. So goodbye, God bless, take care, thank you so much, and keep on building. Good night.